Hey, what's up, Juice Crew? Okay, so a little PSA. I would advise y'all not to have anything in your mouth, chewing anything, or drinking anything before you watch this video. Because my DIY Christmas looks like a DIY Christmas. So I want to let y'all see the shenanigans that I did. Please don't laugh so hard. It's not gonna hurt my feelings, but good grief. I'm not as artistic as I think I am, or I'm good at doing DIY projects, but I guess being creative when it comes to doing DIY stuff is not my forte. So just a PSA, because I love y'all so much. Just eat, chew, swallow whatever you have in your mouth right now, because I don't want you to choke while you're laughing. Okay, so putting on this film was longer than I thought it was, and I had to do like a Frankenstein type of thing. I don't know if y'all see that there, here, but whatever. It's just to protect my desk from, getting all this glitter and stuff on it, and glue and all that good stuff. So my DIY projects are going to be these ornaments. I don't know how many of the ornaments I'm going to do, but a lot of them is going to be in purple. I don't know if I just want to do the inside or do the outside. We'll see. But I do have these bugs I'm going to do, so maybe I'll do 4 of each, because remember, I still have these ornaments, and I'm not really hanging them on a Christmas tree because I don't have a Christmas tree per se. I mean, I have small Christmas trees. So, I was gonna put these little bells and some other little things that I'm also gonna put some of the glitter on. Again, I have this glitter here and this purple glitter that I've already had, and then I have some more little glitter. If I decide I want to put some more silver or something on there. So I don't want to use too many. Or I don't want to make so many, because then I also want to put a little bit of glitter on these. I don't know. But you'll see what comes up, because I'm about to show y'all. So what you will need are glitters. Let me get this back out of here. You will need glitters, glue, brushes. I got these plates from Family Dollar or Dollar General or whatever, just to put the glitter on, as well as some glue, because I only have 3 of them. So yeah, and then you need your DIY ornaments that you're going to use. So I think I'm going to start off with I'm gonna do 4 sets, so that's 8 all together. And yeah, let's get things started. Okay, now that we got the glitter all taken care of, okay, I'm just gonna pour a little bit of glue. Out with the little glittery balls, just to put a little blue and a little purple. on them. Okay, they're not coming out as I thought it was gonna come out. I don't know what. I thought maybe I got too fine of a, I don't know, of a glitter. I don't know, but we're gonna make something out of this, so yeah. Let's move on to another one of these little balls. I think I also should have gotten one that sprayed instead of getting the glue and a brush. I should have got a sprayer. Okay, you guys, this is what I got. This looks horrible. I'm sure a child would have done way better than what I've done, but yeah, so I got this this bulb, pretty much the same thing. When I did the inside, because my brush wasn't small enough or whatever, it didn't get all the way up to the top, so I got that. All right, got this. Horrible. Then I got a lot of just okay, so while my bulbs are drying, I decided to move on to the Christmas tree. Christmas tree, it looked like this at first, but I just unraveled this little thing that was holding it, and then I took this filler paper, or you know, this shiny paper like this, red, and it's gonna end up purple. Okay, so this is how it came out. This is my front door. So when you walk into my front door, you catch both little viewpoints. So that's all I decided to decorate, was just what you see up front, and then when you walk in, you see the little fireplace. So I didn't do a lot. I was trying to not have it look so childish. Don't mind them dirty dishes right there. But this is just some little garland and some lights. And then I did these DIY balls, but they didn't come out as I thought they were gonna come out. So that's just how it looks from this way. And then the same with my piece up here. I was trying not to have it look so childish, but it kind of came out looking a little kid-ish. But